Hello, Helene Shepherd. Welcome to 17 Chamberlain Street, Sadliers Crossing. This home has been designed so you can work from home. A private section at the extension of the home allows your clients to arrive with privacy and grace. Come and discover everything that just might be for you right now. Welcome. Five bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and designed so you can create a space. What will you do right here? You can walk to the CBD and all of our private schools. You can walk to our train station. This is all about location, 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 with all the hard work done. Call me, Helene Shepherd, and I will make your new home become a reality.